Welcome everyone, I am back. Today is July the 19th, 2022. We're going to talk about MATIC today. Yes, you guys can already see that the price in MATIC has broken out to the upside, something that I predicted. So now I wanted to come in today and show you all what do I think now. Can we still see the market as a buy in MATIC? Because if so, then there's no need for us to worry. We just can continue to sit back and let the gains continue to roll in. Now, welcome everyone to my channel. If today is your first time ever seeing my videos, my content, this is what I do. I come through and I predict price movement so that we all can be prepared and win in the market, all without being confused. So to those who appreciate it, make sure before you head out, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because I definitely want to make sure that each and every one of you stay in tuned with where the market is going to go. So let's go ahead and knock this out real quick. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much of your time here on this video. Obviously you all can see that from my last video in MATIC, which was on July the 6th, I was looking for the market to go up. So I'm not surprised to see the market go up in MATIC. For one thing, you guys can see right here on the 15th of July, the market came and hit our ultimate TP price, which is around 39.25%. Now, if you were to get off the market now in MATIC, that 39.25 has increased to 76.2% profitability. It doesn't get no simpler than that. Let's go ahead and take that out. Let's talk, because the market here in MATIC has decided to break outside of our descending line. You guys can see that the market has actually broke out, something that we need to talk about, something that we need to address and change. So now we got some actual bullish sentiment appearing into the market in MATIC. So let's go ahead and straighten this up. Let's go ahead and take that downtrend line and let's transpose it to a line that represents where the sellers are at. Yes, the sellers are now here in play in the market in MATIC. Okay, so the question now is, what are the chances of us seeing the buyers take out that $1 level? Is it good? Is it bad? Can we expect the price to go down? What are we looking forward to from here on out? Because that is going to be a very firm foundation to where we would expect the sellers to appear. That's the location that we would expect the market to try to go down. It is what it is. So seeing that we are in an upward trend, we need to go ahead and utilize the market then. Okay, so this is the area, this is the ballpark, this is the place that we understand where the buyers are at, and then we understand where the sellers are at. Okay, the buyers are here on this ascending line and the sellers are positioned there around $1. Okay, so as we continue to see this market in MATIC trade, this is the outlook that we need to expect. Okay, sellers up here, buyers down there, and we need to see which one will win. Is it going to be the buyers or the sellers? All right, so let's take a look at this on the 2-day chart real quick, because the market currently right now, let's keep it real, we are seeing sellers come into this space, which we're not surprised to see this. Okay, we shouldn't be surprised because we are now knocking on the door of what was once a support area. Okay, so with all of the volume that's currently being seen on this 2-day price chart in MATIC, let's keep it real. This is where the sellers are at. People are now taking profitability from this massive run-up that we've seen recently. Would you do the same thing? Of course you would. You would take profitability out of the market. So currently the market in MATIC is going down. Here it is on a 3-day chart. Now this is the thing I wanted to show you out. This is what I want you all to be on guard for. As we see the sellers come into the market, as we see people try to take the profitability out the way, we cannot allow the market in MATIC to break below 80 cents. That's it. The buyers need to support the price in MATIC right here around 80 cents, no lower than this ascending line, which would take the price, I will say, no lower than 70 cents too. Okay, so as we are preparing ourselves to see the sellers come into the market, sell their particular MATIC into this market, we cannot see the price break 80 cents, no lower than 70. Keep that in mind. Okay, here's MATIC on a 5-day. What do you think? Pretty good move. I'm not necessarily concerned with what's been going on into the market. This is why it's important that you already be in position to move when the market goes up, because now many people are questioning, well, should I come in and buy this currency now or should I wait? From my perspective, you may want to wait until we find whether or not the buyers are positioned at 80 cents or even 70. We need to wait. the market will give us indications as to whether or not the strength is going to continue to where price is going to break $1 to the upside. It'll let us know. Look at this on the weekly chart. Okay. So I really want to look at this on the hourly. This is the 3-hour chart, and take a look at this. Look at this. What's going on here in MATIC? Right? We saw the market recently break out, and now we're seeing the market just consolidate, hover above 88 cents, directly below 98. What's going on here on the 3-hour chart? Because we can break this down and actually see, are the chances good for us to see the market break $1 to the upside? Look at this on the 5-hour. The market is hovering. All this increased volume down here, and the market is not breaking down yet. What do you think is going on? Let's take a look at this on the 7. Okay. Take a look on the 7-hour chart. We are noticing that the buyer demand is still here. It's pretty good. Now, here it is. We have 3 hours left on this current 7-hour price bar. I want to see the market close at the high of the bar before I become more confident that, yeah, the market looks like it's trying to break $1 to the upside. That's the current play. Okay. Take a look at that. So I'm zooming out the chart because I want us to see if the market in MATIC in fact does break $1 to the upside, right? How high can we see the market go? Will the next level be around 110? And then after that, 120? How high do you think the market's going to go in MATIC here? Because on this hourly time frame, we're definitely seeing indications that this market in MATIC is trying to go up. It's not done with the market move higher. Now, as I create this price prediction, though, we will be prepared to take profitability just in case the buyers leave and sellers inundate the market right there around 98 to $1. We need to be prepared to take the profitability out the market in MATIC there. But as of right now, the strength is still being seen on the smaller time frame. So I'm going to continue to play the strength into the market in MATIC. Yeah, I'm still going to play it. Now, let me show you though, okay, because I'm not one of the ones that's going to give you these astronomical price predictions, but rather let's be realistic. Okay, so I definitely like the market here holding 88 cents, but if you guys can remember, I said that 80 cents as well needs to be utilized for support. Okay, so that's going to be our support area, 80 cents. I even understand 70 cents too, but as of now, we're going to utilize 80 cents for support. You guys can see that we got this restrictional point right here in the market in MATIC, which is around 98. We got to be prepared for that as well. Not only that, it's around 93. Okay, 93, 94 cents are areas of current restriction. Sellers are there. Okay, now I'm going to be prepared to nibble off some profitability right there around 98 cents. Yeah, 6.68%. That might be the amount of profitability that the market is going to give to us as we expect this market to move higher in MATIC. Okay, so let me go ahead and zoom this out on the daily chart real quick. Okay, so we have 97 cents first, around $1. That's our first price target. Outside of that, my second one is going to be right there around 110. Okay, so that's like another 21% market move higher in MATIC. Okay, support is still around 80 cents. Now I do understand I did mention 70, so we can bring it down to 70 if we want. And we're looking for the market to run across some issues, possibly around like 97 to $1. That's the first area that we need to be concerned with to see the market in MATIC break to the upside. And then $1.10 is the second area. We might see the market run up to 120, but I'm not going to put that on the chart just yet. I just want us to ride the market this way so far. Okay, so I still suspect that the market move in MATIC is not over. We're going to continue to expect the price to rise up in price. You guys heard my 2 price targets. 97 cents to $1 first, and then no higher than like 110. All right, I'm done. It's your turn. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.